Welcome, Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students. We will discuss about equivalent fractions. See here, equivalent fractions. When the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same number, you can get equivalent fractions. See here, when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same number. Everybody write an university W. By the same number, you can get equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. See here, look at the blackboard. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is multiplied by 2, both numerator and denominator. Again 1 by 2 is multiplied by both numerator and denominator. Here 3. 1 by 2 is multiplied both numerator and denominator. See here, look at the blackboard. 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, that is equals to 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. See, listen carefully. 1 by 2 multiplied by the same number, 2 and 2. Numerator and the denominator is multiplied by the same number, by 2. Here by 3. Here by 4. So you can get 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 by 4. That is equals to 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 by 6. That is equals to 1 4s are 4, 4 by. See here. Now we got fractions are. Fractions are 2 by 4, 3 by 6. No fractions better. 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. See here, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are equivalent to 1 by 2. Thus 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are called equivalent fractions. Write down everybody. ఆయనకి అర్థమవుతుందా? completed. Now next. See here, when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is divided by the same number, you can get equivalent fractions. See here, 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is divided by the same number. 2 divided by 2, both numerator and denominator. See here, you can read 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are equivalent fractions. Next, how can we identify equivalent fractions? See here. Look at the blackboard, everybody. Just listen. How can we identify equivalent fractions? So, see here, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. These two fractions are equivalent or not. You can find out. Very simple method. See, now I am writing here solution. 2 by 4, that is equals to 3 by 6. Look at the blackboard. By taking cross multiplication means this. The first fraction numerator is multiplied by the second fraction denominator. And also the first fraction denominator 4 is multiplied by the second fraction numerator. See here, first fraction numerator, second fraction denominator. 2 into 6. 2 into 6. 2 into 6, that is equals to 4 into 3. 2 into 6, 4 into 3. 2 6 are 12, 4 3 are 12. What do we get? 12 equal 12. So, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 are equivalent fractions. Write down. Did you understand? By taking cross multiplication we can say, so the product of numerator, first fraction numerator and second fraction denominator, and the product of first fraction denominator, second fraction numerator are equal. See here, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, or 4 3 are 12. So 12 equals to 12. Then the given two fractions 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 are equivalent fractions. This is called as cross multiplication. What is this? Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. See here, now next Next, 3 by 5 and 6 by 10. Look at the blackboard, everybody. See, look at the blackboard. 3 by 5. That is equals to 6 by 10. Now taking cross multiplication. 3 into 10. What we get? 3 10s are 30. And 6 into 5 or 5 into 6. So 3 into 10, then you can write 6 into 5. 30. Here 30 is equals to 30. So 3 by 5 and 6 by 10. 6 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Did you understand? So 3 is multiplied by 10. 3 10s are 30. And also 6 is multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30. Here 30 is equals to 30. So 3 by 5 and 6 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Right? 2 into 6 12. Please look over here. After I put a line book for completed. Yeah, next. Are the fractions 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 equivalent, check it. Solution: the given fractions are 2/3 and 8/12. Okay, see here, 2/3, that is equals to 8/12. Then take cross multiplication. 2 into 12. 2 12 or 12 into 2. So 2 into 12. 12 2s are 24. And see, 8 into 3 or 3 into 8. 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Here 24 is equals to 24. So 2/3 and 8/12 are equivalent fractions. Okay, beta? So today your class is completed. Thank you to all.